Hey, Chris here, and what I want to talk about is building a marketing team versus having a marketing team that's specialized in syndication and being able to hit the ground running with that. The second option obviously sounds way better because building your own marketing team requires you to stop looking for deal flow and stop building relationships with accredited investors. So if you do marketing right, if you focus on marketing, you do it right, that is your full-time job. Ask me how I know. That's my full-time job, right? That's what I spend all my time with, is doing marketing. And that's not where you belong. Got to find some deal flow, got to build those relationships. Instead, it's better to align yourself with a marketing team that is already specialized in syndication. So if you go try to build your own marketing team, you have to train them up and explain to them what syndication is. Even if you find people that say, oh, I've worked in real estate before. Typically they worked with real estate agents. If they say, no, I've worked in real estate investing before, then you find that they've worked with wholesalers and fix and flip, things like that. Syndication is a very small space, a small niche, and not too many people know about it. Not many marketers are perfectly aligned with this space, right? So it's a huge benefit to be able to find a team that is focused on helping you raise capital. That is what they live, eat, sleep, breathe. It's what they do, right? So being able to hit the ground running with that is a massive advantage. Now, why would somebody want to just go try to patch together their own marketing team? A lot of what we find is there's a kind of mental, psychological block, and really it amounts to kind of procrastinating, right? They think that, and there's also perfectionism too, like, oh, I can do it better myself, right? I'm gonna build the best team. Two, there's also this kind of the procrastination that I mentioned is, well, I'm making steps towards making my business better, right? I'm building my business by finding these people and training them up and putting them in place. But really, you're delaying, right? You're not moving fast enough. You can move to the step that I described, having a team aligned and ready to go that's specialized right now. So now that you know that that option exists, you would certainly be procrastinating by trying to patch together a marketing team one by one and then taking the time to train them and all that stuff when you can just hit the ground running. So don't delay. Align yourself with a marketing team that knows exactly what to do, that exactly how to operate in the syndication space. This is Chris with Raise Ready. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and I'd love to hear your comments. Let me know what you think holds syndicators back. Are you trying to, do you see people out there trying to patch together a marketing team one by one? Have you tried this in the past maybe and it failed, or maybe you just weren't happy with the level of results? Let me know in the comments. Chris with Raise Ready here. Take care.